Now, I want to maintain my own yard, my own property, but I've got this really bad problem with my lower back. So I got something new that I'm hoping will help me solve the problem of my having a lower back and having to reach over the planter and do all of that without straining myself. So let's go take a look at it now. It's this thing right here. The Corona Season After Season DualLINK Limb Branch Lopper. Let's give you the obligatory close-up, huh? The reason why I got this thing is because it had these extenders. Let me just, there we go. If I need it for short, I got it for short. And if I need it for long, I got it for long. As you can see, I've got all of this little bamboo that is hiding all of the big, beautiful bamboo. And we need to get rid of that. And I need to do it without putting too much of a strain on my lower back. No problem reaching pretty far back there. I didn't actually get all that much off before my back gave out, but it made a huge difference in the appearance of the bamboo. This Corona Lopper was the tool I needed to do the job, helped me get more done than I would have done without it, and it did help save my back a little bit and allow me to work longer. So all in all, I'd say that I am really glad that I bought this product, paid for it with my own money. Happy to show it to you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. YouTube loves it when you subscribe to me. To me personally, they love it. Hit the bell for notifications.